Asilive la uyiluthi news sisemzimkhulu ngikuthi la ukuthi oqala nje futhi yini ungasifakela isifoni
siphe sakho ngicela sakho qala sheshe
yazi ngizokhuluma kanjani manje futhi since kuluthiwe la ngakini uzizwa unjani
eba since kuluthiwe ngithi mina yabona kufana ukuthi mosuka kini yabo akufani ngoba mina ngisuka la eBhodi wena usuka le kude yabo uhamba ngetruck mina ngihamba ngebhanoyi hayi no ngebhanoyi hamba ngetruck wena mina ngihamba ngani ngisithuthuthi mina ngihamba ngisithuthuthi ke akufani ukuthi wena usuke eqala yabo ngiyibona into kanjalo futhi uyayizwa lo uyayizwa lo
uyakhuluma futhi
sengisho sengikhulumela phezulu kwale nto bokade uyibuza iluthing lena angani ukuthi yini iluthing kodwa ngizokutshela ukuthi iluthing
umtapo
umtapo futhi hayi mina inhliziyo yami bake zange ngitape zangithole lutho okuhlungu nje ukuthi abantu baphume nama fridge abawubhuti
abafethu sesimuvile ke manje ngalana sesinomunye ubhuti sabona unjani futhi yebo uzizwa unjani ungaluthanga kulutho
We cannot be terminated by the police. We want Zuma out. We demand Zuma to come out in 3 days, as Ngizwe said.
Wenzeni uNgizwe? Wenzeni uNgizwe? Ya sesiphinde sabuya ke futhi nanga ubhuti. Yebo bhuti.
Ya ngila ngizokhuluma English kule game ngithanda ukuthi ke as of course indeed ngoba ke flash kodwa kasikho lapha indeed when you see people when marching no we don't know anything but we have to focus your feet must control yourself. Oh shit! Of course yes ngiyabonga ke mhlanje thina uyibuzayo
Sizunjani ngalento
I'm healthy and futhi nje 100% healthy 100% yabo ngitshela ukuthi juice yabo 100% like ngiyayazi ngiyayiphuza umthetho wami khuleka futhi
yawuza futhi asila kuyena kanje
ngasabi noma engathi
kwalapha ezindabeni bahlali sinomunye obone ukuthi ngcono akhiphe ingoma ngokutapha ukuze kusasa lakhe liqhubeke phambili oboniswe ngoBig Zulu odume kakhulu ngengoma ethi imali eningi yena uthe ukuhle ukutapha ngoba silambile sizokwazi ukuthi sisuthe nathi sibe khona eplate nesifundele indaba ngomsasazi kakhulu emzimkhulu.